in downtown Indianapolis on the Indianapolis Cultural Trail, a legacy of Gene and Marilyn Glick, to talk about the sustainable features like our stormwater planters and bioswales that are on the trail. And it's appropriate because it's raining today while we're out talking about the stormwater planters. So when it rains, the stormwater is diverted into our stormwater planters, which are filled with a lot of native plants that are made to absorb stormwater so that it slowly percolates down into the stormwater bed, keeping the water out of our combined sewer system, which is a big issue here in Indianapolis and in a lot of other major cities. And this is actually the first time the city of Indianapolis used stormwater planters on a city right-of-way, on a city street. It's something new here, relatively new in the Midwest, when the trail was designed, and the city embraced the technology. The vast majority of the trail has these bioswales and these stormwater planters. They took as much space for the stormwater planters as they were able to. They hold a lot of water. It's really fun to come out here in a really big downpour and see how they really just fill all the way up to the top and then slowly percolate down over time. They are designed with a beehive in it, so there is a fail-safe measure in case there is that 100-year storm event where they do overflow, and if that's the case, they do flow into the city's stormwater system. Our stormwater planters and all the landscaping on the trail actually serve as a natural barrier protecting the cyclists and the pedestrians from both vehicle traffic and from each other. Some places on the trail, it's a separated section where the bicyclists have one path of the trail and the pedestrians have the other sides. The trail added about 500 trees to our downtown area, not to mention I think about 8 acres of extra green space. Not only is the city saving money by having the water treated on top of the surface so it doesn't go into our combined sewer system, but it is adding to the environment, it's adding to cleaning our city. It's a great investment, and it really helped us pilot new technology here in Indianapolis.